Yo no sé nada, yo lo que sé jugar con un vuelo ahora mismo. Estoy en el Porvenir, voy para Penonomé. Voy para Santiago, Penonomé ahora mismo. Estoy en el Porvenir, aquí donde Noriega estaba preso. Este es el aeropuerto donde tenía Noriega preso. Por aquí donde está Noriega, chequeate una islita aquí, por acá arriba. So, vamos a cerrar nuestra puerta. Doors are locked. Vamos a ver si tenemos tower. I don't think I got tower over here.
American 1656, Monty Tower on the Jumbo runway right.
I ain't got no tower, so let's go ahead and
clear prompt.
Go ahead and turn our APUs, all that shit going. Pumps, turn our pumps off for now. We don't need our pumps. Check out our weather here. Okay, everything is good. So what we're gonna do, I don't have any tower right now. I don't think I got tower, so let's go ahead and tell them and now we're gonna depart straight out.
American 3175,
Mike Papa Victor Romeo traffic Captain Carlos planned for Chancellor November 5 Alpha
Remove our
Mike taking off runway
GPU,
5
trucks
straight
are
out
still
departure.
on. So what we're gonna do is let's go ahead and start engine 1. Let's go ahead and prime it. Prime. There you go. Get that engine going. Get that engine spooling. Woo! Go ahead and pump number 2. Prime it. Prime. Get engine 2 going. Woo! Look at that engine. Look at this. Look at that plane just moves. Yeah, boy. Remove our chocks here. And we are ready to go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go ahead and put our tablet away. Woo! Yes, sir. Let's go ahead and turn our taxi light. We already... Pumps are coming off. Engines are spooling up. Let's do an engine run. Ooh, listen to that sound. Ooh. Yes, we are ready, ladies and gentlemen. It's flap 1. So we're gonna climb up at an altitude of say 3,000 for now, and then we're gonna get IFR. So there you go, engine is settling in. There you go. So we're gonna climb up at 3,000. Okay. We are ready. We are ready, ladies and gentlemen. So let's turn around here. Let's get on the runway. Parking brakes release. Give it a little throttle here. There you go. Ooh, let's turn around. Let's line up on the runway here. Ooh, this is a small runway, so I gotta make sure. Oh man. I gotta be careful around here. Esto es un aeropuerto muy pequeño. Voy para el mar aquí, me jodí. So, gotta climb up here a little bit. Ooh, yep.
Mike Papa Victor Romeo traffic Captain Carlos planned for Chancellor November 5 Alpha Mike taking off runway 5 departing straight out.
Ooh, crispy. Okay, we are here, ladies and gentlemen. Parking brake set. Takeoff flap set. So let's go ahead and sync our heading. There you go. And we are ready, ladies and gentlemen. We climbing at 3,000. So let's get our engine going. There you go. Get our engines going. Need a lot of thrust, small runway, and parking brakes release. There you go. Vamos en camino hacia Penonomé, Panamá. Got enough. You gotta get enough. You gotta get enough. Get on the rudder there. Okay. Ooh, and we are up. Oh my. Oh my. There you go. The gears are coming on. That was a small runway, man. Small runway, ladies and gentlemen. That was a small runway. Almost didn't make it. So we are climbing to 3,000.
Panama Center, Capitan Carlos Blanford, Chancellor.
There you go, climbing to 3,000.
Cessna 414 AW, 2 miles northeast of Mike Papa Victor Romeo, 600 feet.
We still got our flaps down.
Capitan Carlos Blanford, Chancellor, November 5 Alpha Mike Panama Center. Squawk 40.
Let's go ahead and get suavecito, no need to rush. 7 nautical miles to go. Ahí están los abaniquitos. Chequea esa vaina, chequea el cockpit. Beautiful cockpit. Looking out my window. Ahí están los abaniquitos. Six nautical miles to go. I think I got the runway in sight. Not yet. I think I still got it. So let's go ahead and flaps are coming full. Full flaps. Slow down. Speed brakes are armed. Checa los abaniquitos ahí, man. Checa esa vaina. Realismo. And está crispy, man. We are at 1,400 feet, descending. Full flaps are set, gears are down, all green. Four nautical miles to go. Good approach, good speed. Todavía no veo el runway todavía. I don't see the runway yet. Oh, I got the runway in sight, ladies and gentlemen. Runway in sight. Tenemos a runway in sight, ladies and gentlemen. Runway in sight. Slowing down. There you go. Controlling our throttle here. Oh, we got a little turbulence. We got the runway inside, ladies and gentlemen. taking control now. Autopilot off. Speed is off. There you go. Got a little turbulence going. La turbulencia me está agarrando. Opa. Yes, sir. Auto brake kicking in. Flaps are coming up. Agarró un poquito de turbulencia ahí. Bonito aterrizaje, man. Un poquito de turbulencia me agarró ahí al final. Me agarró la turbulencia. Flaps are up. Beautiful. Viene un poquito muy lento. Ya necesito un poquito más velocidad, pero we made it. El aeropuerto de Penonome aquí. Easy. Tranquilito. See if we got any parking space around here. Beautiful. Estos son puros aeropuertos privados, man. Ustedes no están listos para donde parqueamos nosotros. Está la banderita de Panamá. Vamos a parquearle aquí mimito. Yes, sir. Perfect. Parking brake
Mike
set.
Papa Papa November Traffic Capitan Carlos Blanford Chancellor November 5 Alpha Mike is clear
Beautiful.
of the runway.
Vamos a echar un poquito
Mike
más para
Papa Papa
adelante.
November Traffic Capitan Carlos Blanford Chancellor November 5 Alpha Mike is clear of the runway.
There you go. Beautiful right there. Bam. There you go. Perfect. Excelente vuelo.